What is going on, everybody? It's your boy avid here. As you can see, verified. This is how to get verified on Xbox, just in case you didn't just see it. Avid verified. This will take 5 minutes. Sadly, you will need 1 million subscribers. I don't have 1 million subscribers, it's just a joke. If you want to support me, you can support me by subscribing, but you don't have to. Anyway, let's go on to the tutorial. Okay, first step is to go on any browser you use. I use Opera GX. I'm not sponsored, sadly. If anyone wants to sponsor me, you can. Details in my description. No, anyway, you're just going to go onto xbox.com. This is going to be the main part where we get verified. You will not have to put in any details, so don't worry. There's no creepy man on the internet going to eat you and steal all your details. First of all, once you've signed in, you're going to see your profile picture on the top right of your screen. You're going to click on that, and you're going to press Xbox profile. So, once you've pressed Xbox profile, you want to look up ColXFM. That's me, and you're going to see right where I copy and paste, not there, right there is where the where you want to copy the symbol. That is the verification symbol. You just can't see it on Xbox app. So, once we've got that symbol, we just have to press on the top right of our screen again to get our profile picture. Then we're going to press on my Microsoft account. Once we're on my Microsoft account, which might take a second, we're just going to press on our name, which is simple. Once we've pressed on our name, there's going to be a button down below that says edit name. We're just going to press on that, and that's where we're going to get the actual verification part. You can type whatever you want in there. Just beware, if you want to just have the verification badge, you're going to have to look up on Google transparent something, blank character copy and paste, yeah, sorry. And you're just going to put that in the first thing. Personally, I'm having an R-Ward because that's me. Now that we're back on the Xbox, I'm just going to show you that it takes a few, that you can't see it straight away. You'll have to wait a few hours. As you can see, Jaden's so bad, lol. But once you can see it, that means that there should only be like an hour between when you can see it and when your friends can see it. If you enjoyed that video, please consider subscribing. It's free and it helps me out a ton. See you guys in the next one.